Hi, welcome to your Dragonfly tutorial on data properties. The toolbar for data properties is in the top right hand corner. When you click it, everything will come up. At the top, there is a filter panel which contains all of the filters that organizes each object by their category. So our first filter is for data sets. We can click this icon over here and it will make the data set visible in the 3D and 2D views. I can also see multiple data sets all at the same time. Here I can see all three of my data sets in the 3D screen and 2D screens. For now, I'll only look at this one. This button over here allows us, if we click on it, now there'll be a slash over 3D, which means that now this data set can only be seen in the 2D view and not the 3D view. As you can see, there are 3 copies of the same exact data set. This happens because whenever you import data to Dragonfly, 3 copies, usually under the name blue, green, red, and then the name that you entered, will appear under this filter. If you only want 1 copy of your data, then you can right click and you can go down to remove and you can remove that piece of data. The next filter is annotations, which is over here. We will learn more about annotations, but for now we can make them all visible and we can see how I use annotations to measure the width of the USB here, and I've chosen to point out a section over there. And again, I can make this only visible in 2D and not 3D. The next filter is for region of interest, which we'll learn more. And then the next one is for multi-ROIs, which again are multi-region of interests. Next is meshes, then shapes. And if I make it visible, now it can be seen in 3D and 2D. And then overlays and groups. The last button, which is all, will show all the objects that I have created, even if they're visible or not visible. Like for example, the blue USB drive can't be seen on my workspace, but still under the all. We recommend that you use the all button if you don't have too many objects, so you can see everything that you have created and what you're working with. The last button will only show the objects that are currently visible in your workspace. So as I went from the all to the I, you can see that it filtered out the blue USB drive data. Lastly, if we go down to the basic properties of our data set, it will tell us all the general information about it, such as the width, height, depth, the voxels, and its size. Thank you.